What's up, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be doing a review on this Husky, like 11 drawer or something, toolbox. Sorry if the footage is very shaky. Something's going on with my phone camera. So, to start off, so in this top drawer, I have impact drill. In here I have like bolts, battery, charger, and a bunch of my Harbor Freight box, socket, compression tester, my Craftsman box, the sockets in it, and then this has some sockets in it. It's the big drawer. This is my screwdriver drawer. So here I have a big Snap-on SDD6 USA screwdriver, flathead. Just snap-on, 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 snap-on. This isn't snap-on. Let me see if I can read this. Okay, the camera to focus. It says, I can't even read the two first words, but I think it's ruler or something it says. And then here's another Snap-on star. Here's another, see if I can find, Stanley USA. Here's Stanley USA, another one. And here's the one, Handyworks 3x16 x3, Taiwan. So this basically, I grinded the end of it to make it a carburetor screwdriver. So you can see here, here's one, part number of this thing. This is like this, see how the end is the same length? So I took one that has the same length, I just grinded the end to look like this. See the front part, comparison, just grinded it. So that it looks like, so this, I usually will keep one inside and one outside. I think I'm going to keep this one inside and then the good one outside, because obviously I don't adjust carburetors and start motors in my house. It'd be pretty stupid. And then here's a flathead. Here's another flathead I think I showed you. Here's another Stanley flathead. This is socket one. Another flathead, Stanley flathead. I have socket screwdriver here, flathead, socket one. There's a star shaped. Then here I had this whole kit of them, but I just took them out so I can just find which one I would need easier. Here is all the carburetor ones I have. See, I have Hexagon, Pac-Man, single D, 7 spline shaped, double D, single head. Wait, it's small head single D. I have another shaped 6-star. What's this one? 21 splined and small head Pac-Man. And then I have another here, star shaped. Then I have a bunch of the same flathead star shaped clothes that I would recommend this tool. I'm gonna see if I can find some tools to put in the description, but I might not be able to really find much, but because I really don't really know like half of these where they came from, so like where to get them. So, but yeah, here's a spark plug tool, and it has the end. It's a flathead. That's good. But I have a catalog I just put in here. This drawer I have condiments. I have wrenches, vice grip, all that. So here is my torque wrench I have. And I have deep, heavy-duty impact sockets here. I have heavy-duty Allen key. It's like a pocket knife Allen key. So, yeah. See, so you can pull it apart, pull them out, whatever one you need. Yeah, and then I have these Allen keys. I have a big right 7/8. Let's see if I can get a part number. It's 1128 USA 97F. That, and here's like these are good pliers. I'm gonna find the ones that have the bend in them, but these are nice and long, so you could really get down to grab something. And here is a huge wrench that you can, you know some people know you can adjust this part to be like, here, you see, do it one-handed. So this can slide down to whatever length you need if you need to get like a pipe off or a big bolt or something. So it goes like that. And then I have this wrench I got out of this hammer, not wrench, that I got at a tag sale. Here's just like some cutters that I use. This is another just cutter and grab stuff with. Then I have on my vice grip, I have little this is little Stanley. Part number for this, it's STHT84404. It's part number. Then I have blue point vice grip, 3 blue points. Then I have the original old. This is a little older, but I personally like these without like the grips on them. I don't know why, they're more comfortable without it. I don't know, they just feel weird after a while, these things on it. But here another like cutter. Use it. Needle nose pliers, wire cutters. Here, other like ratchet. There's wrench. Huge wrench I have, and then I have a big one extension bar, and then I have a big wrench. Then I have these tools. Nice. They're to get like the gaskets off like a mini bike clutch. Or not the gaskets, rings, or I don't know what they're called. On the outside of the mini bike clutch that you pull off to take the top piece off. These are nice. Yeah, 2 pairs I got. Here's Hobby Trade vice grip. Really small. Another plier. Yeah, just another adjustable. And the next drawer, I have all my sockets and wrenches. So gotta start with the snap-on I have. Goes all the way from 10 millimeter to 19. There. I have 2 11s for some reason, so I found this is good for a screwdriver to get on some of those nuts on them that you could helps like turn a bolt if it's tight. Then I got another Allen key set. I got with snap-on sockets, snap-on wrenches, all my extension bars. Got a deep like socket for a spark plug or thing. Then I got another crappy wrench that I just use because it's just like a crappy old one. This is this Husky better. Then I got these that are a little longer. Got this spark plug tool. I have 2 of them. I got these long ones. And then I got Allen keys, all these Allen keys, and then a bunch of Harbor Freight wrenches. These are sockets. Craftsman socket. And then see if I can show you this. So this is my favorite tool of all time. So basically, this will adjust to any size of nut you need. So see this part? So you just stick it on any nut, it'll automatically adjust to that size. It's nice. So you don't have to worry about grabbing the wrong size or anything. It'll adjust to the right size. And you can use a long extension, real long extension to put on this thing too. And you got all like these flathead, Allen keys, star, everything you got there too. So it's an amazing kit. I'm gonna put a link in the description to this too. Yes, this drawer. And this drawer it. I have just an empty can to put bolts and gas if you need to drain out or something. But I use huge gas and oil drain pans. I've got a siphon, and now they're just this, I have my spark tester. Either I need to see if I can find these on Amazon again. Cause these are good. They clean out the carburetor check. You see how they have all the wires and all the dirt, everything out of them. And I got some Loctite shear bolts for a snowblower. Then I just put some manuals in there. But in this drawer, I just have DeWalt. What are they called? The DeWalt drill bits I have. This drawer is zip ties. This drawer I have all gloves and some, drill bits and stuff like that. This drawer I have all my rags. And I think we covered pretty much every drawer. So, yeah, so this is good too because you have the bench. You see, so you have this bench here, and here is I have a Husky here, and then I have two. They're both completely empty because I put all the tools in here, so I just take out if I need to bring it somewhere. But and the only complaint I have about this one is that it is very, very, very heavy. It's struggling. It's even hard for a man to lift it. It's heavy, especially if you really load it with those strong sockets. Stuff, it gets really heavy. And this is the same way. This is easy to carry though. They're both empty. One thing nice too is I can plug in my phone here. We've got all these outlets, and then it has two spots to plug in a phone charger. Okay, then magnetic, so I have this bowl here, sticks right to it. Got this little magnet, hooks right on the side. Yeah, so it's very nice. And I think that's going to do it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.